Hello, my fellow oddities, and welcome back to part two of our new abstract session. If this is your first time, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, really helps me out. Also, go ahead and take a visit to my website if you haven't done so. Everything you buy there goes directly to me and helps support me in all of my endeavors. And with that out of the way now, let's just get right into part two. Today we're going to be focusing on progressively lighter hues of our turquoise and getting this outside edge a little bit more defined. I haven't fully decided exactly what I'm going to do, but I also put a little bit of the darker blue around the outside just to add a little bit more depth to it. And then I'm going to go back through and add some more highlights on top of that. As you'll see, there's not really a whole lot of explaining I can do other than I did use the comb brush at the beginning here, and then after that I just used an angle brush and a fine line brush afterwards. For the last bit of the day, we're just going through with a little bit of titanium white and turquoise, mostly titanium white and just a little bit of turquoise added to it to give that little bit of highlights in just the top parts of the ridges. I didn't try to go overboard with it. I didn't want it to stand out too much, but at the same time, I really wanted some of these ridges to kind of stand out. All right, that's gonna about do it for this episode. If you've been following along so far, then you should have something relatively close to this. If this is your first time, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and visit my website if you haven't. All that stuff really helps. I'm really trying to grow my community right now. All of your support really helps me out. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.